Good morning, children. Today in your EVS class we are doing safety on roads. Following safety rules are important to protect ourselves from danger and injury. We must be very careful while moving on the road. There are buses, taxis, rickshaw, motorcycle, cars, scooters and bicycle running on the roads. While moving around in the city, we must obey the traffic rules. Traffic rules are for our own safety as well as for the safety of others. So children, as I have already read in the book that safety on roads are very important for ourselves and also for others. It protects us from danger. We must be very careful while moving on the road because there are many taxis, rickshaws, motorcycle moving on the road, and we have to be very careful while crossing the road or while we are on the road. We must also obey the traffic rules because traffic rules are there only for our safety and also for the safety of others. There are also many important safety rules which we need to follow on the road. And the safety rules which we have to follow are that we must be very careful on the road. We must walk only on the footpath. You can also see the picture that is given here in page 102. We must cross the road only at the zebra crossing. We must cross the road only when the traffic light is green in color for us, okay? And you should not cross the road when the traffic light is red. We must not run on the road, or before crossing the road we must first look to our right and we have to look to our left and then right again while crossing the road. So you must be very careful while crossing the road. Next, we must never try to travel on the footboard of a moving bus. We must obey all the traffic rules when we use the road, okay? So when you are on the road, when you come to school or when you are going anywhere, you have to be very careful while crossing the road. Fine. So now you go to page number 103. Write true and false. Always walk on the center of the road, whether it is right or wrong, you have to write. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Do not look at both sides before crossing the road. Travel on the footboard of a moving bus. Do not obey the traffic rules. So you have to write here true or false, okay? So number one, always walk on the center of the road. Is it true? No, this is wrong. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Yes, this is right. Do not look at both sides before crossing the road. As we have already seen here, we must look left and then right again. Before crossing the road, we must first look right, then look left and then right again, okay? So do not look at both sides before crossing the road. This is wrong. Travel on the footboard of a moving bus. So it's already written here. See, we must never try to travel on the footboard of a moving bus, okay? So this is wrong. Do not obey the traffic rule. This is wrong, okay? So you write this true or false in your copy A, B, C, D, E in your EVS copy, and you tell your parents to submit the copies by tomorrow and write the correct safety rules below the picture, okay? So below the picture, here you can see the picture is given here and you have to write here the traffic you have to write the safety rule below the picture, writing all the safety rules, and you have to write all the rules here. And this for true and false you write in your EVS copy and you tell your parents to bring the copy by tomorrow, okay? Thank you.